Given that f of x equals the square root of x, which equation describes the graph of function g? Well, as I take a look at this problem, what I notice with respect to at 0, 0, and we are down 1. So that's one part. And then, I don't know if you can see from my hand gesture, but what happens is we're flipping over is what's happening. So if you know the transformations from that format, you can pick out which answer it is. If you don't know which answer it is, we can flip over to Desmos here, and we can type in, first of all, again going back here, it is negative the function 1. So when we come over here, negative the square root of x, arrow out of that, minus 1. Well, that's not the picture that we had. The second one that we had here is plus 1, so we can go back to Desmos and I can change that to a plus 1, but that moves us up 1, so it's still not what we need. If we go back and we look at our function here, now it's f negative x. So if we go back and type this in, then this time it's going to be the square root of negative x, arrow out of that, minus 1. And sure enough, that looks like it's the answer. And just a quick check here, we've got the 0, negative 1 for our y-intercept. Next problem says consider the function shown on the graph. And we've got two drop-down boxes. It says the graphed function is, well, and then with the function of even degree or odd degree. Well, because one end of the graph is going downward and the other graph is going upward, because they are going in opposite directions, that is an odd degree. Both going up, or they were both going down, then it would be an even. But since they're going in opposite directions, it's going to be an odd function.